So I have added some more decorations to my cyclone fence, and these are all the dogs that I have owned and loved. Okay, let's go in the garden. This big box right here is my greenhouse that Lisa got me for Christmas that I will be hopefully putting together this week. It is 56 inches by 87 inches by 77 inches tall. And I can't wait to get it together. So everything, of course, has been taking longer because it has been cold and we have not had as much sunlight, although today is a beautiful day. So my tomatoes are growing and setting lots of fruit. I have been picking some of my cherry tomatoes. There's a ripe one right in there. My cabbages are growing. And I am getting quite a few bell peppers. This plant right back here. Over here. Well, let me show you my arches. I added 2 more arches to my garden. So now I have a total of 6. I have 2 in this bin. Then I have 2 here and 2 in the last bin. Not only will I be using them this summer to provide shade, but also I could grow vegetables up on the trellis. I could grow flowering vines. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so I have spinach coming up and a lot of cilantro. And then I have my herbs in here. My radishes have been delicious, and I have been picking them and using them in my salad. And I have some right in here that is starting to shoulder, so I'll be able to pull those out. I have more bell peppers in here. Oh, I got quite a few bell peppers on this one. That's a good sized bell pepper. I have about 5 of them right there. Then my hot peppers are setting fruit. There's some more. That's a good sized bell pepper there. My lobelia has been gorgeous. I'm definitely planting more of those. My beets, I've got a nice harvest coming. They are not ready, but they will be soon. And I did get some more eggplant finally. Got a good sized one in here. And I have some more that are just starting to fruit right in there. I have my celery and onions coming up. Over here, I've got my peas starting to grow up. This is my Brussels sprouts, these large plants in here. They are not ready. I have not seen Brussels sprouts appearing yet, but they will soon. And I have kohlrabi, turnips, beets, and my carrots, which are all growing in here. Here I have my broccoli. And it is forming the broccoli right down in the centers. I love this. Let's see if you can see that down in there. I do have some peas growing back here against that fencing. So the garden's doing good. Taking a while. But the peas are starting to really take off now. I have just ordered 4 more bins. They are going to go back here against this wall. They're about the size of this one. And I ordered a bright yellow because I really love gardening, but I want to be able to produce food, not just samplings of things. Look at the size of that bell pepper in there, if you can see it. Yeah, I want to be able to grow food, not just a handful of tomatoes or a handful of radishes. So I'm really going to put some thought into it about planting successfully. This is my first year, and I've been pleased, but I think I can make it a lot better as I'm learning, as I'm going along. At nighttime, it is so pretty back here because I have lights in all the bins, and it's so pretty. Maybe I'll just tuck a little video of that. All right, you guys, and we'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye for now. So here is my vegetable garden all lit up at night. Almost looks magical out here. I know you can't see anything but the lights, and it's just so pretty. That's that little watering can that lights up. It is such a relaxing place. I really enjoy being out here.